In this slide number 1, we will talk about the overview of the CGEP 2026 notification. This recruitment is conducted by the Indian Coast Guard, which works under the Ministry of Defence. It is for various posts including Navik General Duty, Navik Domestic Branch, and Yantrik, under batches 01, 2026 and 02, 2026. The application process is entirely online and will be open from the 11th of June 2025 at 11 am to the 25th of June 2025 till 11:30 pm. All interested male Indian citizens can apply through the official website joinandiancoastguard.cdac.in. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies released in this notification. For batch 01, 2026, the vacancies are as follows. Navik General Duty has 260 posts. Yantrik Mechanical has 30. Yantrik Electrical has 11. And Yantrik Electronics has 19. For batch 02, 2026, the vacancies are. Navik General Duty again has 260 posts. And Navik Domestic Branch has 50 vacancies. Please note, these are tentative and may vary slightly during the recruitment process. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee. The examination fee is 300 rupees, which must be paid online using net banking, UPI, or credit or debit card. However, candidates belonging to SC and ST categories are completely exempted from paying the fee, provided they apply under the reserved category. Please ensure the payment is successful to receive your A-Admit card. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates you should remember. The online application window is from the 11th of June to the 25th of June 2025. Stage 1 of the examination for the 01, 2026 batch will be conducted in mid or end of September 2025. Followed by Stage 2 in mid or end of November 2025, and Stage 3 in February 2026. For the 02, 2026 batch, Stage 1 will be held around mid or end of February 2026, and Stage 2 in July 2026. Please keep checking the official website for your A-Admit card and other updates. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age criteria. The minimum age required is 18 years and the maximum is 22 years. For Navik GD and Navik DB posts, candidates should be born between the 1st of August 2004 and the 1st of August 2008. For Yantrik posts, the birth dates should fall between the 1st of March 2004 and the 1st of March 2008. There is a relaxation of 5 years for SC and ST candidates, and 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer candidates, wherever applicable. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the educational qualifications required for different posts. For the Navik General Duty post, candidates must have passed 12th standard with physics and mathematics from a COBSE recognized board. For the Navik Domestic Branch post, 10th standard pass is sufficient. For the Yantrik post, candidates must have passed 10th with a diploma in electrical, mechanical, electronics, or telecommunication engineering. Or they should have passed both 10th and 12th with a diploma of 2 or 3 years from an AICTE approved institute.